Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by validating your environment. Make sure Ubuntu 20.04 or newer is running and virtualization is enabled. This matters because Docker Desktop uses a lightweight VM. Once done, update apt, install curl and required packages, and add Docker's GPG key so packages verify correctly. Then add the Docker Desktop repository and refresh apt. These first steps prepare secure, reproducible downloads and avoid permission issues later. Perform them now to keep the process atomic and predictable. You install Docker Desktop with apt and accept systemd integration so services start reliably at boot. This is how Docker Desktop manages containers under Ubuntu. Once installed, add your user to the Docker group to avoid sudo for Docker commands, then log out or run nugup docker to apply membership. Next, open Docker Desktop, adjust CPU, memory, and disk allocations. This prevents resource contention. Finally, enable experimental features only if you know the implications, because they change runtime behavior. You finish by verifying functionality. Run Docker version and Docker run hello world to confirm the engine and images work. Then test Docker compose upd for a real app and inspect output with Docker logs. Make sure images pull and containers start. If networking or mounting fails, check file permissions and shared paths in Docker Desktop settings. Troubleshooting tip: if Docker Desktop won't start, restart its systemd unit and examine journal.u Docker Desktop for clear errors. Then address permission or kernel mismatch messages.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.